Well, I'm back here working on the 400. The problem with this thing is, I can get it started on choke, no problem. But then it will not run off choke. So it's trying to figure it's got to be an air leak. Not having any luck with that. But I checked the plugs. So I bought a new spark plug tester. Or spark tester. So this thing right here, you'll see a flash go across there. And what is that? The number 3, third one back, is not getting spark. So I'm going to switch that out. Got a new plug here. We'll see if that helps it run it. You can see she's got a slight miss. This is the one that I pulled off and it had carbon buildup on it. So I cleaned that off. I thought, oh, that's the problem. Well, she might not be firing. That's probably why it had carbon buildup on it. So I'm going to replace this plug, fire it, see if that works. I don't think that would cause it only to run on choke. There's a smell and see if it was full of gas. So I don't know. It's frustrating sometimes when you're chasing these things, trying to figure out problem shoot. But that's all the name of the game. I think it's about 19 degrees out right now. So I kind of feel like that Ralphie's brother in A Christmas Story, because I got coveralls on to feel poofy. Alright, let's see. I'll fire it up and we'll see if we got spark now. What the heck? She was just running. Yes. That's on. Whoa, what the heck? Of course, just running. Alright. That other plug back in. Wow. Let's pull it out and see if there's spark flying across it. It's goofy. I have to throw the battery charger on this thing. This should run still on 3 units. This one is bad. So I don't get it. Smells like gas. Okay, now test spark plugs. I mean, they got those fancy testers. Otherwise, you just ground it out on the frame somewhere, and you'll see spark jump across the electrode. If you can get it to stay, that's why those little testers are nice, because they'll hold it. Show you the spark right in the line, but I didn't bring one. Come on, find a spot. I'll take it. A screwdriver. Oh, this should work. I'll push this up against it. Hopefully not get shocked. Now there's spark there. He's not getting gas. Oh, we should test the old plug. Somewhere in here. There it is. Let's check the old one. for. Okay. So she's not getting fuel right now. So what the heck? Because she was just running. Tuck that behind. Tuck that behind and go. Let's go check our fuel. And then I'll come around if she fires again. Otherwise, I got another one to start working on. This one's just being a problem child. Looks like it's about there. Should be more gas in there. Chokes on. Alright, well, I gotta put the battery charger on it. Alright, I got it running. I had to hook the jump pack, or not, hook the charger on it. So I'm gonna take this now and see if we got spark on number 3. Maybe you guys can see what I'm seeing. Alright, so see that flashing? Hey, come on. Hey, that one's good. Can you guys see that one? And number 2. And number 1. Alright. It seems to be sounding a little better. Will it run without choke? We should let it warm up for a bit. But hopefully that, I don't know if that would cause it not to run off the choke having one bad spark plug. Let's let her warm up a little bit. Come back and then see if we can shut off the choke. Alright, so I've been letting her warm up here. What I'm going to try to do is bring the car cleaner up around the manifold. Hopefully don't start a fire. But see if it picks up speed. Now tell me where the hole, if there's a hole in the manifold, or what, is it a gasket? There could be a manifold gasket. them somewhere. But if any of you guys have some ideas, let me know. It's getting frustrating. But yeah, send a comment on the bottom. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna shut this one down and go start working on a Super M. Show you guys what's going on with that one. Hey, we're gonna drop the chains on this tractor. So just kind of show you. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. So just pinch this now that it's loose. Slide that lock off. There we go, drop that. And then we'll take this bungee cord, hang that over here, and then there should be one on the inside. What we're doing is we're dropping the chains and we're going to move this over at the shed. This chain here is this wire here is the safety. In case you want to spring open. Okay, get that out of the way. And then you just squeeze them. If that's going the inside of the van. And then, oh, it tells you. Now we get them off. Except for, that should be a hook and I put that on there. So, dummy me, now I gotta spread that open so I can get this unlatched. So we're gonna have to get a screwdriver, I think, to pry that open. I'll grab a screwdriver. nice tires on here. Not a crack in them. I'm gonna have to put my glove on because my hands freezing. Still taking in 4 volts on the charger. Nice flip away seat on here too. These things come up so that way you can flip it over when you're not in the field. So that way if it rains you don't get a wet butt. This bugger now. Grab my tools and wire before I forget about it. I don't want to run that much here. Alright, then leave another tool. Alright, well let's go for a ride. Who doesn't like going for a ride on a tractor when it's like 15 degrees? The sun's setting on us now. Grind them to find them, right? No! Brakes. Oh, she's not like that. Am I too high here? Adjust that car a little bit. Is she gonna roll back on me? Yes, she is. Better find a home back here. Easy. Easy. And stop. Wow, what the heck? It's like it's not getting gas again. I put the channel locks? There it is. It's in my left pocket. Okay, double check gas. Yeah, that's on. She's idling so nice. See if that helps knock something free. Speed up now. Parking it over at the tractor shed. Got a sticky needle in here, but I think that still doesn't explain the not running on choke. The horses. Alright, come on. Pick up a little speed. Now I gotta find a place to park her. Hey, there was a boat sitting there. Someone took it out of there. Maybe we'll back it in right there. We know it's pretty full down there. I think that's reverse. Looks like here it is. Same shift pattern as yeah. Easy. Brakes. Let's pull for just a here. It if we need to. And then my OCD, I like to have it square. Alright. Might be a hair off. Pretty close. Alright. Let's get the gas shut off. Well, this one's got a good battery in it. And it runs. It just needs a little bit of fine tuning or something for that air leak. There's still something screwed up with that carburetor that I did. Maybe the Venturi's wore. Did that cause it? Maybe, I don't know. I'm shutting the gas office up in here. If you're wondering, what the heck is he doing now? There we go. But good sheet metal on this one. I don't see any dents. But yeah, nice rig.